Hello everyone. These days, if you see the gold rates is going so high, so is the silver rate. So these are like commodities. They don't generate any business as such, but these are assets which people opt when there is distress in the economy. In the sense, the investments like stocks, real estate, or other high return investments are seen as threat because their returns are bound to go down once the economy crashes or something bad happens to the economy. So in this case, the relevance is that there is a probable economic slowdown or a recession coming up. There is huge US debt, or well, in that case, all the countries are having huge debt. So the market, or in that case, the economy has to reset itself. Without a reset, this high debt or other economic inflationary problems or other job loss or other stuff cannot be reset. So the only way by which it can happen is a total economic reset. So this will happen with a probable recession which will impact our stock market as well, and probably a sizable correction can happen. So the increase in gold rate, yes, if you have gold as assets, well, in that case, gold ETF, silver ETF, or physical gold, then you can be happy that your asset value is going up. But then if you are having other investments, then be ready for a probable crash or be ready for a probable correction. But then don't panic, because you have been investing. I assume that you have been investing very long time. So if you are talking about your stock portfolio, or even in that case a mutual fund portfolio, the cost of acquiring that assets, whether it is your old mutual funds or your old bought stocks wherein the price may be lower and you had ended at a lower price, then even if there is a possible correction of 20% or even 30%, then your buy price is much below that. So whatever you have gained over a period may vanish, but then it will come back. But then don't miss that opportunity of reinvesting at lower prices of that asset, so that you make sizable returns from that lower buying price, which we call as value investing. Investing in an asset when the overall economics is impacting the stock for a temporary period and then the stock rebounds. So again, higher gold price not to be taken as a positive thing for your equity portfolio. So stay alert. Don't invest at peak valuations. Valuation is very important while entering a stock. As Warren Buffett once said, price is what you pay, value is what you get. See you next video. Till then, happy investing.